My name is Reiko Caron, and I am a stylist and producer at House & Home, and I'm here to share with you my 5 favorite things. My first favorite is the new home line from Province of Canada. Now, they began with clothing, athleisure you could call it, so it's a lot of comfortable garments, but they've now ventured into housewares, notably pillows and throws, which are just as cozy and lovely as their clothing and still have that kind of casual, beachy vibe. These are actually inspired by Cape Breton. What I love about them is they're pretty enough to be on your couch, but they're also cozy enough for a nap. Next up are these little bud vases from Oak and Fort. Look, they match. Oh. That was not on purpose, I swear. These vases from Canadian company Oak and Fort are just as uncomplicated and minimalist as their clothing, and that's what I love best about these. They're perfect for a few sprigs or for a ranuncula, something really pretty, where you just want to focus on the flower and not the vase. These come in 2 shapes, 3 colors, and you know what, guys? They're really inexpensive. Okay, my next favorite. So this gizmo is called the Click and Grow, and I bought it on Amazon because my condo faces north and has no direct sunlight. So I was never really able to have any plants grow on windowsills, and also our windowsills are low and my dog eats these. So I needed an option for countertop, and I found this. All you have to do is fill the base with water and then plug it in, and you have this light here which goes through cycles of light, just like the sun would. And it worked. It actually worked. I saw it grow from baby plant to full grown. It was very exciting, guys. It's like a science experiment, okay? It was really exciting. And now I have full grown basil. I'm probably gonna cycle through a few other plants and, you know, pesto for everyone. My next favorite are the works from artist Tessar Lo. Now, he is a Sheridan graduate whose style I absolutely love. He has a bit of a childlike quality to his work, and this piece in particular is a self-portrait of himself around the age of 5 on a skateboard. He usually has a lot of color to his work, whether it's pastels or deep and vibrant colors. This piece really spoke to me, even though it's just black and white, just because it's very gestural and free. And the best part is that there's more in the back. Now, this is supposed to be a piece that he wasn't crazy about, so he worked on the other side of the canvas, but having it framed with the 2 glass kind of gives you that extra surprise. Okay, last but not least is this cleaning kit from Lemon-Aide, which designer Natalie Chong told me about because she likes to give these out as gifts. Now, these are natural cleaning products. They smell fantastic and they actually work. And I know this because I have white countertops and I need to use this all the time. They have things like laundry detergents, like basically everything you would need to get things clean around your house. You know you're an adult when you're excited about cleaning products. So these are my 5 favorite things right now, but check back soon because I'm always on the lookout for cool stuff.